Hello everyone. So in this channel, welcome back to Neutral Trader, and I will be talking about the 17th June expiry that we have taken a trade. We have taken an iron fly. And we have booked around 768 rupees in profit. So I'll be telling you what happened and how did I take this trade, when did I take this trade, what was the risk reward ratio. I'll be explaining everything, and this has been done on Zerodha. So I'll be showing you in the entire trade and explaining everything in the coming few minutes. So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So hello everyone. Today is 9th of June. We have deployed another iron fly at around 10:30 to 11 o'clock. So I'll be showing and discussing about that today. So BankNifty is once again trading around 35,300 range, and we this is the trade that I've deployed. I'll show you first on Zerodha. This is a Zerodha trade has been deployed. Today we have taken an iron fly of 50 quantity in BankNifty. Okay, and let's see the nitty-gritties of this. So this trade requires a capital of 1.25 lakhs. The maximum profit in this trade is around 24,779 on the day of expiry when it closes at this particular point. But the maximum loss that you can take is around 10,200, is 8%. So the risk to reward ratio becomes 1:2.42. Right. So the break evens, which is really concerning for us right now, is we have a break even of 34,905 on the downside and 35,995 on the upside. So if Bank Nifty trades within this region for the next few days, we will be extracting a good profit on this trade. So I'll keep you posted, and let's see what happens. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today, this is the end of day update on 9th June. So basically I had to take an adjustment today itself. So I'm making this video. So what happened today was we saw consolidation for quite a few hours in the morning hour. And then during the afternoon session, the market just crashed completely. So we saw only support at 34,600 for now. uh, I'll just show you what changes we made. So if you remember in the previous uh, video, I had told you that I have a risk of 10,000 rupees on the lower side and 10,000 on the upside. So what we did right now is we have sold additional two call options at 36,300, which is somewhere over here. When you sell some out of the money call options, it was priced at around 84 rupees. So we have sold that option, and so as it moves lower and lower, now you see the maximum risk that I have on the downside is around 6,000 rupees. So even if the market opens gap down tomorrow, which is very likely, I will not be much afraid, and I will be selling more call options. I'll be booking that call option and selling somewhere around 35,800 call option, whichever suits me, suits at that point. So I've sold something around 84 rupees, and I've reduced the downside loss. So if the market reverses, anyways, we will be in profit because this is our major profit zone. So let's wait and watch what happens tomorrow. One more thing to add is, since I've sold additional two call options over here, right? So my margin requirement has increased to 4 lakhs approximately. So we need to be careful about it because this is a high margin trade. And since I've done this in two lots, so we'll see what happens. So thank you everyone. I'll keep you updated for tomorrow. Hello everyone. This Today is 10th of June. It is around 11 a.m. and today at morning 9:20 I have closed all the positions. So I'll be explaining what happened and why I did this. So today morning we opened absolutely flat and almost we're trading sideways. Even now we are trading sideways. But what happened is I saw a profit of 3,787. So I thought, I couldn't believe this. Like, I was getting a lot of profit without, the market has not moved anywhere, and this profit was just huge. So I came into the profits dilemma that, I'm looking at a good profit. I should just exit it, right? So I just exited. I didn't think twice. Like, why is it showing 3,000 rupees profit? Yesterday we saw in the ending that I was sitting on a profit of around 840 rupees, right? So now it was showing 3,787. So I thought, why not book it? What is the issue? So let me explain what happened actually. So I'm going to my back office, that is in console, PNL console, and this is my back office. So the dates, this is a previous trade, which we had got a profit of 32.47, right, in the previous iron fly. So that was netting around 3,000 profit. So what happened yesterday is I had closed a position of 36,200 calls at one point, right? The hedge that I had bought, I had closed it, and the Zerodha portals books your loss of 3,000 rupees. So in that way, yesterday the loss was accounted in this P&L, right? But today I was missing the loss of 3,000 rupees over here, and that was not to be seen. So so the net profit was plus 3,000 of that. So it was interesting that I didn't notice. I knew that this is I have experienced this before, but right today morning when I saw this big profit, I thought, okay, let us book it. So then I went into Obstra and actually put in all the values correctly, and we are actually sitting at a profit of 769 rupees. So that is how much I've booked this on this trade. Uh, that was entirely my mistake. This is an important note for me as well. So if you can see over here, if I was holding the trade, I was getting another 600 rupees profit because Bank Nifty is just going sideways. So what is happening is the put is decaying. Okay, the put which I had closed it at 774, it has gone to 740. This is the additional profit that we could have booked, right? So anyways, this is an important lesson for me, and if any one of you would trade like this in this fashion, so you need to make sure that uh, the legs that you closed yesterday, the previous day, would not be accounted in this particular trade. So yesterday, since we had booked a loss of 3,000 rupees over here, see net realized profit and loss, we have booked 3,000 rupees loss. So that loss was not shown in this P&L account because Zerodha doesn't know that you are making an iron fly, right? Zerodha just knows that you are selling some put options and some call options. That's it. That is Zerodha's work. So it will not keep track of your strategy that you have deployed. Correct. So this is an important lesson for me and for anyone else. I think if you would find it helpful, you need to keep this in mind. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will and one more reason for me to close this trade was because there is some news in the market that the US Fed rates will be announced today evening, and it is the inflation data is going to be the highest at 4.7%, and the US markets have been not performing since yesterday, so the futures are as well. uh, so we are seeing some trend change over here because of the US Fed data. So I will initiate fresh positions probably tomorrow or whenever I find a better risk to reward ratio. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.